Hello, welcome back, fifth graders, to Estimating Quotients. Today, let's read through this. We're going to estimate the quotient, all right? So this could be one of those valuable life skills where if we don't have a calculator and we don't want to work it out to find a precise number by hand, we just need to find about how much would this be. So if we have 21.2 divided by 7.4, how could we estimate what the quotient would be? Okay, so maybe we're just trying to see, get an estimate on what would be a reasonable result for a division of 21.2 divided 7.4 ways. Okay, maybe it was something like if we had $21.20 and something costed $7.40. About how many of these pieces would we be able to buy? About. Okay, so it's a little bit of an art. Typically, I like to think about it as if we're going to round it, I might turn this into 21, and then 7. That could round to 7.4. Could round to 7. Okay, so I'm essentially rounding, and we want to look for compatible numbers. What would be an easy number to work on in our head? So what is 21 divided by 7? That'd be 3. Okay, so if we had that much money and they costed that much, we'd be able to afford about 3. Okay. All right, next one. How would you do this one? Now, if we rounded 16.5 to 17, 17 divided 4 ways, that doesn't give us a nice round number. So even though it's not following the rules of rounding exactly, 16.5 is still about 16. Okay, and 16 and 4 are compatible numbers. 16 divided 4 ways would be 4. Okay, so in estimating, there's not always an exact science. There's strategies. It's a little bit of an art. That what makes sense? What would be a reasonable number or estimate to turn that into is what we're looking for. All right, another one, 71.5 divided by 7. Again, so that would, if we're rounding tenths, this would round to 72. 72 divided 7 ways still isn't super easy to do in our head. What if we just rounded to the tens place? So $71, that would be about what? $70 divided 7 ways would give us 10. So 70 divided by 7 is 10. Okay. How about this one? This one actually has a dollar sign in it. So $26 divided 5 ways. Well, 26 is pretty close to 25, and I know numbers that end in 5 and 0 are always good multiples of 5. So 26 is close to 25. So 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. Or if this was in dollars, $25 divided 5 ways gives us $5. And here we go. So estimate the quotient. So $129.24. So that we could turn that into 130. So a good estimate might be 130 divided 5 ways. Now this can happen on the test where the perfect answer doesn't exist, but we have to find which answer choice makes the most sense. So this is a little bit of test-taking strategy. So the one that would make the most sense might be 130 divided by 5, but that's not one of the answer choices. 100 divided, that doesn't even make sense, this one. So, well, I think that would be the best choice, okay? So even though my first instinct might have been to go this way, the best choice is this one. 125 divided by 5 to give us $25, right? And 125 is still a pretty close estimate to 129. All right, great job, everyone. Have a good day.